Assalamu alaikum grade 4. I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is fraction. Dear students, in the previous class you have already learned about the fraction. And the key vocabulary is fraction, numerator, denominator, proper, improper, mix, like fractions, unlike fractions, convert, equivalent, order, compare, law, commutative and associative law. Dear students, today we will revise fraction, numerator and denominator. In the upcoming lecture we will revise all these fractions, but today we could recall the concept of fraction. Let us understand what is fraction. A fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. Now the fraction has two parts, 1 by 2. Now the upper value is numerator and the lower value is called denominator. Both value will be separated by a fraction bar. Fraction bar. Now we have to recall the concept of fraction. So question number 1 is page number 48. Question number 1 is color the correct fraction of each shape. Dear students, in this question we have to color the correct fraction of each shape. Part A, 2 by 6. Dear students, you already know that the upper value is known as numerator and the lower value is known as denominator. So first of all we have to count the parts of this shape. So how many equal parts are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 parts in this shape. So, and how many parts we need to color? That is 2. So 2. 1 and 2. B, 3 by 4. How many equal parts are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many parts we need to color? 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay students, you will do the remaining parts of question number 1 by yourself. Let's move to the question number 2. And question number 2, write the fraction for the colored part of each shape. Part A. First of all we have to count how many equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the denominator is 6. And how many parts are colored? That is 2. 1 and 2. So the fraction is 2 by 6. Part B. First of all we have to count the equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The denominator is 8. And how many boxes are colored? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 8 is a fraction. Now, okay students, you will do the remaining parts of question number 2 by yourself. Let's move to the question number 3. Part 3, write fraction to match the words. Dear students, as we have learned that the numerator will be the upper value and the denominator will be the lower value. Both values will be separated by a fraction bar. So, in part A, numerator 5, denominator 7. Now we will see how we will write it. That is 5 by 7. And Part B, denominator 10 and numerator 3. So 3 by 10. Upper value numerator and the lower value denominator. Part C, denominator 8 and numerator 5. So 5 by 8. Question number 4 is write greater than sign, less than sign or equal to. In this question we are going to compare the fraction. So part A is 3 by 7, 6 by 7. Dear students, when the denominators are same, we are going to compare the numerators. So 6 is greater than 3, 3 is less than 6. So the sign is this. 3 by 7 is less than 6 by 7. 6 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7. Part B, 5 by 8 and 3 by 6. In this part, we have different numerators and different denominators. So what we can do, first we will make the denominator same through LCM. Dear students, we have to observe that which number is divisible by both these numbers. Let's find out by taking LCM. So 5 by 8 and 3 by 6. First we will make the factors of 8 and 6 denominators. 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now we will make the factor of 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 8 and 6 are 2 into 2 into 2 and 6. Prime factor of 6 are 2 into 3. Now we will find the common factor, that is 2. Dear students, you already know the formula of LCM. So the formula of LCM is common factor multiplied by non-common factor. Common factor is 2 and non-common factor is 2 into 2 into 3. Now we will multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM is 24. Now, so I found 24 that is divisible by 8 and 6 both numbers. So we have to make the denominator 24. First we will multiply by 3, 8 3s are 24 and multiply by 3 both numerator and denominator. And here 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. So multiply by both numerator and denominator, 4 and 4. So 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12 and 6 4s are 24. Now dear students, look, denominators are same. Now we will compare numerators, that is 15 and 12. 15 is greater than 12, 12 is less than 15. So the sign is here, just like 15 by 24 is represented by 5 by 8. So 15 by 24 is greater than the other value, it is represented by 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is greater than the other value, 3 by 6. So 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 6. Okay students, you will do the remaining parts of question number 4 by yourself. Let's move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is write in ascending order. Dear students, you already know that ascending orders mean smaller to bigger. Now part A is 2 by 7, 6 by 7, 4 by 7 and 3 by 7. Denominators are same. Now we will check the numerators. So smaller numerator is 2. So 2 by 7, then 3 by 7, then 4 by 7 and then 6 by 7. Part B, denominators are same, then numerators. Smaller numerator is 1, so 1 by 8, then 3 by 8, then 5 by 8 and then 7 by 8. You will do the remaining parts by yourself. Let's move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is write in descending order. Dear students, you already know that descending orders means bigger to smaller. So part A is 4 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 5 by 6. Now here denominators are same. Now we will check numerators. So bigger numerator is 5. So 5 by 6, then 4 by 6, then 3 by 6, then 2 by 6. Part B, denominators are same. Then the bigger value is 8, numerator is 8, 8 by 7, 4 by 7, 3 by 7 and 1 by 7. Okay students, you will do the remaining parts of question number 6 by yourself. Let's move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is write words in the blanks. Part A, fractions with different denominators are called dash. Dear students, we already know that fraction with different denominators are called unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Part B, in like fractions, the dash, the numerator, the greater the fraction number. So in like fraction, the dash, the numerator, the greater the numerator, the greater the fraction number. This statement means if numerator is greater, then fraction number will be also greater. So greater. Part C, in the pair of fractions 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is dash then 2 by 7. Dear students, if the denominators are same, then we will compare numerators. Now 3 is greater than 2. So 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. Part D, in the pair of fractions 3 by 8 and 3 by 9. 3 by 8 is dash then 3 by 9. First we will compare numerators. If numerators are same, then we will compare denominators. If the denominator of one value is smaller, then the other is larger, we will not consider the smaller value as smaller because it is opposite in the case of denominator. If the fraction has less value in the denominator, it will be the greater. अब जहाँ पे देखें हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर सेम है, डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है. अब हमारे पास जिसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होगा वो वाली फ्रैक्शन हमारे पास ग्रेटर होगी. सो 3 by 8 इज ग्रेटर देन 3 by 9. Question number 8. Write fractions in the box. First of all, we will understand with the help of example. 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Now, if the denominators are same, it will come as it is. And if numerator is different, then we add both values. Denominators are same, then it will become as it is, and numerators are different, then we add both values. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 by 8. Now part A, 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10 is equal to dash. Now denominators are same, it will come as it is, and numerators are added, both values. 4 plus 3, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7 by 10. Okay students, you will do the remaining parts of question number 8 by yourself. Let's move to the question number 9. Question number 9, solve the following. First of all, let's understand with the help of example. 1 by 3 of 36 pence. That means 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12 pence. Let's check. 36 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Remainder is 0. So 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12 pence. Now part A is 1 by 8 of 48 tickets. That means 48 divided by 8. 48 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. So the remainder is 0. So here 6 tickets. Part B, 1 by 6 of 2460 kilometers. 2460 divided by 6. 6 fours are 24. 6 ones are 6. And 0, 6 zeros are 0. So the answer is 410 kilometers. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.